Hello student, today we have a topic mean in continuous series wide direct method. I have already told you we calculate mean in individual series, discrete series and continuous series. I told two method in individual and discrete series. Direct and indirect. This is shortcut. This two method I told. But in continuous series we have three method. First direct method, second indirect or shortcut method, and third one is step deviation method. By three ways we calculate mean. Today I will tell you how to calculate mean in continuous series wide direct method. First you see here formula x bar equal sigma fx upon n. In discrete series and continuous series we have same formula x bar equals sigma fx upon n, where x bar, what is x bar here? Arithmetic mean. Sigma fx you know already, sum of product of frequency and variables. Okay, now n sum of frequencies. Now what is for procedure to calculate mean? What we do here? See this now. What you do first? To calculate mean when any question is given here. In continuous series, when continuous series is given, how to recognize this is continuous series? How to recognize? Here given class interval. A little recognition here, that is class interval given in continuous series. Okay student, now what you do first? First you have to calculate mid value. First find mid value, that is x. After this you do multiply with frequency f into x. This procedure goes next. Sigma fx when we add total sum of product of frequency and variable. Okay. Next procedure what you do? N. You have to get n. What is n here? Sum of frequency you find here. Now after this you divide by n. Sigma fx divide by n. You get mean. We say it x bar. Okay, now we take a sum here. Why that way you can understand easily. Find mean by given method. Now question is given here. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Frequency what is given here? 4, 6, 12, 10, 8. This frequency is given here. Okay. This is the question. You have to solve it. Now what you do first? First you make the table, class interval, mid value x, frequency and fx. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. 4, 6, 12, 10, 8. Now you have to get mid value. How you find mid value here? Now see the formula. Class interval. This is the class interval. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. We add lower and upper limit and divided by 2. 10 upon 2. 2 5 ja 10. Okay. First we find mid value. Next 10 plus 20 upon happen. How much this? 30 upon 2. देखो see this, see. Again you see 10 plus 20 upon 2. 30 upon 2. This is 15. Okay. Now next value is this type, 25, 35 and 45. Okay. You do multiply here f into x according to formula. 5 4 ja 20, 15 6 ja 90, 12 and 25 we multiply, you get 300. 35 10 ja 350 and 45 8 ja here 360. How much? 360. N equal how much? 6 4 10 12 22 10 30 to 840. Add this value 11 20 22. This is sigma fx. To carry 339 to 11. 1120 here. Now take the formula x bar equals sigma fx upon n. 1120 divided by 40. 0 0 cancel. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. How much remain here? 3 remain. 4 8 ja 32. Now answer is 28. This is answer. This way you find mean in direct method. Okay student, if you understood the lectures, subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.